Welcome to 131 Coleridge Road, located in the beautiful community of Cambrian Heights. This 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom and a double detached garage has been completely renovated with new windows, new doors, and a kitchen has been renovated as well. Go on in and take a look. If you enjoyed the inside of 131 Coleridge Road Northwest, you will also enjoy this beautiful backyard where you can relax with your family. If you need any more information in regards to this property, you can reach me on my cell, 403-667-9869. Thank you.